So, hello everyone. We are going to do this question right now. Uh, a card is picked at random from a pack of 52 playing cards. Given that the picked card is a queen, the probability of this card to be a card of spade is, so the options are A 1 by 3, B 4 by 3, C 1 by 4, and D 1 by 2. So, first what we are going to do, we are just going to take two of the cases as given in the question. So E will be the case in which we are going to pick the queen, pick queen, okay, and the another case will be take. We will take that spade card is spade card, spade card, okay. So which formula we are going to use? We are going to use that P E upon F and equal to P E intersection F upon में P of F. Okay. Now we are going to understand that what is E intersection F. So let me just tell you what is intersection. So just a second. Let's take this further. Okay. So here is one whole event which we can say that it is S, and in this there are two circles. One is E and another is just wait a second. I will draw it a bit larger. Okay. So yes, here is whole event which we can name as S. Here are two circles. One is E and the another is F. So it is E and this is F. Okay. Now, if we want to know what is the intersection of E intersection F, we have to just take the part which is common between both of them. Okay, because intersection means common part between E and F, and union means the whole E and F part. Okay, so if we want to know about, we are going to only use the intersection in this question, so I'm telling about only for intersection. So the intersection is the common part between E and F. Okay. Now, what's the formula for P intersection F? So the formula for P intersection F is P E intersection F is equal to probability of E into में probability of F. Okay. So now we are going to see some of the calculation which is on the next slide. So here is the calculation which says E is the event in which we are going to take the number of spade cards, and F is the number of queens cards, as you can see. So now we have used the formula of P F, so is equal to P intersection F upon P of F. So as we know, the E is for number of spade cards and number of queens. As we know, there are 13 spade cards and 4 queens. So and every spade have only one queen. The set of 13 spade cards have only one queen, so we have to 1/52. In total, there are 52 cards. Okay, that's why. And probability of F is the number of queens cards. So there are four queens in 52 cards. So after doing the calculation of 1 upon 52 upon 4 upon 52, the answer comes to be 1 upon 4, which is the correct answer. So the correct option according to this is C. So thank you everyone.